And welcome back to Western New York Living. For some people, going to the dentist is like, well, pulling teeth. My next guest understands that all too well, and that's why she's making it more comfortable and relaxing for people to visit the dentist office. Joining us again is our favorite dentist, Dr. Kathleen Casacci from Wheatfield Family Dentistry. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having me again.
So expansion is finished, renovation's done?
Right, finally into the new space. So we have 9 treatment rooms, the massage center is up and working, and it's wonderful. Everybody's really enjoying the new facility and how beautiful it is.
It must be so exciting when patients come in for the first time since it's all been done and they see all of these great things.
Well, yeah, because as we walk in the front door, if they're not a massage going on at that time, you can actually see into the massage area and everybody's looking like what's going on. We have a massage chair, a chair massager that we use in the waiting room. So people are kind of asking, well, when do I get that? And it's available. Yeah.
Just wait and you'll be next.
Right.
You've also got treatments for mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea. Tell us about the services you provide.
Well, a lot of people know that they don't sleep really well. They don't feel rested when they wake up in the morning. And what we're finding is that a lot of people go and have a sleep study done, and then they find they can't wear a CPAP. And some people can't go and get the sleep study done because maybe they're a single parent and they don't have time or anyone to leave their children with.
Sure.
We have a home sleep study that we can send home with the patient and get a report so that a board certified sleep physician can read the report. They can do this at home. And then if they want to have an oral appliance for obstructive sleep apnea, they can do that. And that is a good alternative to having a CPAP being worn.
Right. You've brought along some teeth. Tell me about what you've brought along today.
Well, this is a few examples of some of the kind of sleep appliances that we can use for someone who has apnea. And if someone has apnea and they grind their teeth, this is a great way to take care of both problems and protect their dental work. So for something like this brings the jaw forward for the patient and they still have room to get their tongue through, and if they have crowns or veneers, it doesn't touch the front teeth. So it's a lot less on their face than a CPAP or some of the other appliances.
And a lot of times, especially with the grinding teeth, all the beautiful work that gets done in somebody's mouth, they grind it away in their sleep and don't even know it.
Absolutely, and that's something that we really want to protect. And the test that we send them home with actually measures whether or not they have grinding activity.
Wow.
So that's the one thing that's different from a sleep center.
One thing that you're so good at is dental implants, and I know you've got a couple implant seminars coming up. Why is it important for somebody to take care of missing teeth in their mouth? Because it's kind of a timeline, right? Like you've got to do it quickly.
Right, well, you don't have to do it quickly, but the sooner the better. If someone loses a tooth within a year, the bone starts really dissolving away. So the sooner we can get an implant in after an extraction, that's the best way to work. But one of the things that people often ask us when we go to these seminars is what's the difference between mini implants and traditional ones? And all of those questions get answered at the seminars.
I want to mention really quickly, I know that you do Zoom whitening, and for the holidays, this is a great present for somebody to make their teeth pop.
Yes. Oh, this has just been taking off like crazy since we've had this Zoom unit in the practice. Basically, it takes about an hour in the office. It's after rebate is $149 right now. So
wow.
If someone has a gift certificate that they want to pass out to a friend or a family member, it's a great treatment, and it's something that can make their holidays really bright.
It is, and you're still collecting food for the food pantry. And the whole time she did this, you have Invisalign in, which is amazing.
That's right, and you can't tell, you can't, make a sound that wrong. It's good.
You look beautiful. Thank you for stopping by, and congratulations on a successful practice.
Thank you very much.
Really amazing. Experience dental care like no other at Wheatfield Family Dentistry. Their beautiful offices are located at 3349 Niagara Falls Boulevard in North Tonawanda. You can check out all the services that they offer at drkathy.com. Also remember, this coming Tuesday and Friday, they'll have free dental implant seminars that everyone is invited to. Just call 694-1777 to reserve your spot, and if for some reason they don't answer, just leave a message and they'll call you back about the seminar. Now, coming up next, Read to Succeed Buffalo will be joining us to discuss their unique program that helps younger children read at their grade level. Western New York Living will continue.
This segment of Western New York Living was sponsored by Wheatfield Family Dentistry.